Hey folks, Adam here, Elite Demonstrations. I parked my car down at the street. Amy went to go pull something out of the car. She flipped on the hazard lights by accident. It's a little flip. And the battery's dead. So guess what? We are going to check out this. It's from Vitoman, VTOMAN, comes in yellow and in black. This is a 2,000 amp jump start system. I've got a big engine in that convertible Mustang GT, and it is going to be supported because this thing is ultra powerful. All right, my 5.0 liter engine's gonna have no problem turning over thanks to this jump starting system. Now there's a couple cool things. First off, it has a great light in the front. You can use it in a power outage. It also has your USB. You can charge it with your lighter, with your outlet essentially. You can charge it with 110, and you can even use this to charge things like your phone in an emergency. On top of all that, it has a little compass. In case you have it out in the woods, you can find your way home. This is great for camping. So let's go ahead. All it is plug this bad boy in, turn it on, connect the red and the black, and let's get that battery back. Stick around as you're gonna watch me jump this car. So the connection is going to be very straightforward. We're just gonna clip on the negative first and then the positive right onto the terminal. Big wide teeth here should make it no problem. Of course, you're gonna have the product turned on. Give it a second. Turns right over. That is a 5.0 engine. This thing is built to support even 8.0 large gasoline engines and a 6.0 with the diesel engine. So go ahead, give your car a minute to take a charge. Go ahead, boost that battery. You're gonna love it. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're going to show you products that really work and are really fantastic. This is something you're gonna want to keep in your glove box. There's so many different functions and uses for it, but the fact that you don't have to worry about a dead battery, see what got hit right here is just a switch right here, flipped that on and I had a dead battery sitting out here in the Florida heat. It is 105 out, it's ridiculous, at least that's the heat index. Go ahead and pick this up, you won't be disappointed, and you know what else? Stick around for the up close portion of the video where you get to see the yellow and the black up close and personal. Thanks for watching and stick around. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video. The Vitoman, VTOMAN, tools and batteries. It's a jump starter, 2,000 amp jump starter, V8. We have it in the orange coloration and, of course, the yellow. Pick out your favorite. They're very similar other than that. These work up to an 8-liter gas engine, which is great. My 5.0 is going to be easily powered with that. Some of these jump starters don't work with my bigger engine. And then 6.0 diesel. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. You can see there's some quick tips on it, how to connect it, etc., etc. This is the model V8. Get that in frame for you. 66.6 watt hours, 500 amp for 3 seconds or 300 amp for 5 seconds. 2000 amp peak. Input 15 volt, 1 amp. Output 5 volt. 9 volts, etc., etc. So, really a fantastic product. Let's go ahead and check them out in person. First, I'm going to show you the orange, and then let's go ahead and compare that looks-wise to the yellow. I kind of like the yellow. It pops a little more, but they're both great looking. This is not too heavy, and you can see all the connections here. You've got your engine start, so you put your jumper cables right in here. Your on-off, etc., etc. Output, 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 input, and really fantastic. I love that they're using that USB-A 5 volt, 9 amp, 5 volt, 9 volt, 5 volt, 2.1 amp, etc., etc. Plus it has a little compass on top, and on top of all that, it does have indeed the little light, which most of these will go through your SOS modes and things of the sort. Strobe light, etc., etc. Power on and off right there. Oh, and you can see your battery charge, okay? Just came out of the box with 84%, which is nice of them. On top of that, each of these comes with their own carrying case, the yellow. And of course, the orange, both good looking kids. All right, now inside the box, inside the case, you get a lot of accoutrement. You get your user manual, jump starter manual with easy to read English. That's a bonus. Shows you how to use it, how to charge it, etc., etc. Now you can charge this with your lighter. You can charge this with 110. Here's your jumper cables included. That's nice. USB-A to USB-C. Good way to charge her up. Your DC as well as your 110. Everything you need to get going, folks. Holy cow. So if you're looking for a great jumper system, something to give you that security for when you're out and on the road, well, guess what, folks? This guy is fantastic. Just plugs right in here. And then turn it on, connect to your positive and your negative cables, and you are good to go. Just that easy. And it even has notification for reverse, correct, or boost. So fantastic product, high quality, high speed, low drag. You're gonna be able to start your car even in an emergency situation, whether it's cold or hot. Here in Florida, I tell you what, the heat drains these batteries like something you won't believe. Go ahead and pick yours up, folks. You won't be disappointed. My name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. Fantastic products. Get yours. You won't be disappointed. Thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.